Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content. And if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This guy has already been unboxed, and that's partially due to a disaster with my camera application, but I still want to share it with you guys. This is not a review, I'm just going to unbox it, give you guys my first impressions of this, and then down the road I'll do a full comprehensive review. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for my Patreon right down in the description, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. This knife was sent to me by Pete. Pete, thank you very much for sending this. So this is obviously a CRKT. And I had to take a look at this because it was so weird. This has been around for just a bit. I will be linking this guy right down in the description. This is called the CRKT Provoke, and it is definitely weird. In fact, it's so weird that I had to take a look at it. I wish you guys could have seen the original unboxing, but the file failed, so I have to do this again. So not going to be as organic, but essentially this sort of moves right here and then locks that into place, right? And so the whole time I was trying to figure out, okay, so how do I hold this? Do I hold it like this, and do I kick it forward like that? Which you can do. It's not very comfortable, right? But I figured out that it's, I guess, supposed to be held upside down, and then you kick it backwards like that, which is pretty cool. And it does lock out into place really solid. And it's bizarre looking. Now, this is obviously a karambit style knife that it doesn't fold. There's a little lock right. It took me forever to figure this out. Way too long to figure that out. But you move there, moves backwards, so this can be kept in your pocket. It doesn't have a pocket clip, which is okay, right? It can also, I mean, you can hold it like this and just use your thumb and push it forward, right? I have not yet figured out a way to disengage this conveniently with one hand, so I don't know if it's made to do that or if I'm just stupid, right? If you have one of these, if you're handling it right now and you can do that, it'd be nice if you could explain it to me. But for those of you who do not have this right now and you're wondering, just push it over with your finger while you hold it. There's a lot of tension right here. That's besides the point. It doesn't need to be opened or closed necessarily with one hand. What is cool is that it can be deployed like that. That's kind of neat. This thing is super weird. I don't need this style of knife in my day-to-day life. I'm a knife reviewer and enthusiast who looks at stuff, no matter what it's designed for. I kind of look at it like, how would this fit into my life, which is just like a regular, I'm just a guy like just doing normal things, right? So I will look into this before I review it and kind of understand the philosophy behind it. It is weird, but it appears to be well made. I mean, it is locking out solid. I think these come in at like $100. This is a combination of injection mold plastic and steel. And truth be told, I don't know exactly what the steel is. With CRKT, it could be something decent or it could be something not decent, right? For $100, it should be something decent, but I don't know. I'll let you guys check out the links down in the description. When I do the full review, I will have every last little tiny detail on this guy, but truthfully, the reason I wanted to look at it was just because it's so strange. I've never seen a knife exactly like this, and yeah, I had to look at it. So I'll tell you right off the bat, my impressions of the lock, what you have to do to disengage it, I'm not a huge fan of that, but I do kind of like, I feel like it will fire like that. I do kind of like how it looks and how it operates. It's got a totally unique fidget factor about it, right? I mean, for those of you who are curious, like, does it feel good? Is it kind of fun to play with? Yeah, truthfully, it is kind of fun to play with. The edge is sharp. The blade stock is absurdly thick. I don't understand, but it will cut. It definitely will. It's not going to be a performance laser beam. It's not going to be an open L or anything like that. It's interesting. Ergonomics are, you can hold on to it. You can hold it. I don't know. I mean, like, I'm trying to imagine using this. I understand it probably is designed for something besides what I'm going to talk about. I'm trying to imagine using that. Like, if I wanted to get into a box, sure, I can do it. But I can't quite find a perfectly comfortable position. Like, I guess right here with your pinky, like, I'm wanting to hold it like this, even though you know you're supposed to hold it like that, right? This is weird. It's weird. I like to look at weird stuff. Definitely. Even if I don't completely understand it, I definitely like to look at stuff like this and talk about it. So, Pete, thank you for sending this to me. He also sent pictures, which I neglected to look at the first time I did this video. Actually sent pictures showing me this is how you're supposed to hold it, right? So, pretty cool. Like I said, this will come in multiple colors. You can check out the links right down below. Expect a full review on this guy in a few weeks. But that's going to be pretty much it today, guys. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.